Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be talking about how to use the Forex orders to determine the directional bias, or probably how to use the option expiries to determine directional bias. All right, so this is what we are going to be talking about, and it is very an interesting topic because you guys are going to be seeing new things, how I'm going to bring out new things that will benefit every trader, as long as you want to get the directional bias. So let's just get into it. The very first thing is for us to go to this website. All right, you can see forexlive.com. Just head to this website. Then once you get there, you go to more. All right, you're going to see a bunch of things, but you go to more. Then you click on, just forget about these central banks. Click on this Forex orders. All right. So a lot of people have heard about this before, but they don't really know how it works. They just think, oh, one thing or the other. But I'm going to give you some good explanation on everything. Now on this Forex orders, all right, so this is free. All right, nobody's taking anything from you. Now on this Forex orders, all right, you are going to be seeing all these orders being published on a daily basis. All right, but we are going to perform an experiment, or let's say back test, or analyze, or we are going to work on these previous trading weeks. All right, so we are having from 29 to on the 2nd, which was yesterday, Friday. We are going to be talking about everything. Now let's start from 29. You can see 29 was on Monday, and just click it. All right, so once you get there, you're going to see these beautiful charts here. All right, and you can enlarge it here. All right, so you're going to be seeing this. So now looking at this, we have the Forex orders on Monday, on the 29th of May. So we have on Euro USD, we have, this was the current price before it was printed, and we are having 1.0655. We are having 828 euro, 828 million euro, all right, being printed. All right, so this is the order on Monday that people are looking at. Now we now have on USD JPY, we don't have anything on GU. We have on USD card, we have AU, we have NU, we have EG. All right, so I want to quickly put something here. Now there are more details than this. All right, this is just like the free version of the main version. All right, the main version have a lot of details and is so expensive. All right, the main version is very expensive, that people are paying up to $24,000 per year, all right, for it. So but this is the free version, and we can all work with the free version. All right, now looking at this, on Monday we are having this order here, 0655. All right, and let's go to the chart and work on that. So we're having a 0655. All right, on Monday you can see the price going all the way up here into this order block. All right, there's also a mini order block here. All right, so we're having two good order block here, order block inside and order block. All right, so now the price went into this particular order block. Following the order flow, you can see that everything has been bearish from the previous week, and the price went into this order block, respecting this order block, selling from this order block. The directional bias because of because of the Forex orders. All right, the option expiry that you saw from the Forex live. So you knew that the price will be going down because you are having 0655. All right, 06, and the price there was 0740. All right, then 0655 will be something around here, 0655. All right, so which is around Wednesday. All right, so now the price, you knew that the price is going down. Since you have that, they're giving you that, so you know that, okay, the price will be going all the way down because that is what you are having. So it doesn't mean that the price will just go down that same day, but it is just for you to have an idea that where is the order flow, where are the big buyers going, where are the big sellers going, where are they putting their orders. So that is the main thing here, for you to have an idea where the price is or where the big money is. That is what this is for. And essentially knowing that is the directional bias. We are going to have a couple of examples. I hope this video won't be long. So we knew that, okay, the price will be going down, then we can sell from this order block, and it doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to take profit from there, all right? We can do measured move and do, a lot of stunts for us to get, where we are going to take profit. But we knew that the price, is still going down. We are not trying to buy, we are trying to sell. Now, let's go to the other one because of time. So that same Monday, all right, we have the price. It's some people that place their order for Tuesday. So we are having the price at 0670, 0700, 770, 785. What does this mean? This means that the price has been going up. Here it was coming down, but here it was actually going up for Tuesday. But this is what they actually placed before Tuesday. But it doesn't necessarily mean that that is what is going to happen on Tuesday, because on Tuesday they might change their idea, they might change their strategy, they might change their price. All right, they might say, oh, I don't want 0670 again, I don't want 0700 again, then let me change it to another thing. All right, so they might do that. So what you need to do is to check for Tuesday. All right, don't depend on Monday, the one that's been printed on Monday for Tuesday. So you go on and check for Tuesday. So how do we check for Tuesday? This is on the 29th, which was on Monday. So let's go back one step back. Then once we are there, then we'll go to Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday should be on the 30th, all right, of May. Look at Tuesday. Then let's go into Tuesday. All right, oh sorry, this is 31st. I don't want 31st, I want 30. So now this is Tuesday. You can see for FX option expiry on for the 30th of May, 10 a.m. New York court. All right. Now, if you look at this, let's enlarge this and see the orders we have on it. All right. So this is 30th. All right. Now we are having this 0620, 0670, 0690, 0770, 785. What does this mean? This is implying that the price is actually what? Going up. All right. The price is going up from here, because what we had yesterday was 06. Now from here we are having 06, we are having 07, then 0785. This means that the price is actually going up. So now let's check the spot price. All right, let's check where the price actually is and where we can take the order from. All right, so this is Tuesday. All right, so you can see Tuesday on the 30th. So we have 620, 0620, we have 0670, we have 0690, to the upside. Now, we knew from the Forex orders that we got that the price, the bid price has been going up. Then we are going to start bidding. We are going to start buying and buying. Now, another thing I want to point out is from 0690, we are having over 1.1 million euro order, and that place is highlighted. All right. Then if you look at any place that's been highlighted, you have to pay attention to that place. All right. You might be able to get an order from that place, especially when you go to a very smaller time frame. You'll be able to get an order around that place. Now we are having a 0690. You're having a very big order there, 1.1, million. And the other orders are to the upside, 067, 0700, then to the upside. Now we could see that the directional bias is up. So we are not trying to sell on that particular day. We are trying to buy. Even when you see this initial sell, all right, so this is manipulation, all right. If you are trading, you already know, what initial sell or initial buy is, all right. It's not the main direction, all right. It's just like what the follower give to you in order to convince you to say, oh, this is the direction. Then they will now go to the main direction. So now, from there we see that, okay, we could have the price going up. So I'm going to be trying to be buying. I'm not going to be trying to be selling. I'll be trying to buy. Let me quickly go back to this. Now, looking at this on Tuesday, you can see 0690, 0670. All right. I have started buying from 0670 because we're having 615 million. So 0690, you could see a lot of orders there. All right. You have 1.1 billion. All right. Sorry, not million, 1.1 billion. So of orders there. So this is a very good one for you to have a very good re-entry on the lower time frame. So a very good re-entry. Then you're having the price going all the way to 0685. So this means that I'm trying to buy, I'm not trying to sell, all right, at that particular day. So now going to Wednesday, we could see that we have 0675, 0750, 800, 830, 850. What do you see? What do you whenever you see this, what is the exact thing that comes to your mind? The price will be what? Going up. The directional buyers will be what? Will be up, all right? Because you could see the price going all the way up to 800. Here it was going all the way up to 785. Now here it was going all the way up to 800. So you just have to catch, be able to catch where your entry will be, all right? Because you already know the directional bias that is going to be up. But let's check for the real Wednesday. This one was printed on Tuesday, all right, for Wednesday. But let's check for Wednesday. So I'll check for Wednesday. I'll go one step back. Then Wednesday should be, sorry, I'm calling it Wednesday. That's now Wednesday should be 31st. All right. So now let's enlarge this. Now, if you see, we are having, a little bit change of orders, all right? A little bit change of orders. So if you compare it to the one that was printed on Tuesday, you see that it's kind of different, all right? Now you have 0600 all the way to 0850, all right? Similar to what we had, all right, on Tuesday, but, change of orders in some prices, but it's still the same direction, all right? Direction is still up, all right? It's going up. Now, let's check where the price is and where the price. Now, mind you, locate this high impact order. Whenever you see this, all right, just make sure you monitor it. We have 1.3 billion at 0675, then 2.3 billion at 0715. So just monitor all those ones. Now, let's go to the chart. So looking at it, all right, on Wednesday, we are having something kind of, it's not kind of different, but, it's going to scare a lot of traders out, all right? You're going to be doubting, oh, is this going to work or not? Yes or no? But, if you have practiced this and you have make it your own, you will be able to trade with it, all right? Because look at this whole lot of sell, all right? A sell, a very big sell, then a retracement, then another sell, all right? A very, very brilliant sell. But this is not what I'm going to be doing because I knew that, the directional bias for Wednesday should be what? Should be bullish. Now, I'm going to be buying. I'm not going to be selling. All right? I'm going to be buying. I'm not going to be selling. So if we remember, we have 0675, we have 0750, 0800, it's actually going up. All right? So I'm going to be trying to catch it from the low to the upside. All right? From the low to the upside. So in this very beautiful case now, we are having the low here of the previous day low. So I'm going to start catching it from here. All right. I'm going to start. I won't trade exactly, when the price just take out the low. I'm not just going, because I have a process that I follow. All right. We are just trying to talk about the directional bias here. So I'm going to start trying to catch it from this low here. All right. And the price went to the upside. All right. Then, we're having a fair value gap. It sent it down again. Below this low, I'm going to be trying to catch it again below this low. And you could see that me trying to catch, I'm going to have some pips here, and I'll also have some pips here, trying to catch it. It's not that, a lot of pips, but it is very, very brilliant considering what happened the next day. Though you wouldn't have understand that this is what is going to happen the next day, all right? Because, the next day has not yet come. So this is what we are having here on this particular day. This is what we are having. So we're having a buy here and also a buy below this low here. All right, that's what we are having. So, but from the analysis, from the orders that we are having, it says that it will be going up to 0675, 07500, 0750. All right, we are having a lot of orders there, more than 2 billion euro there. All right, which means that I'm looking up to here. 1.0750. All right. So we are having a lot of orders, and orders worth 2.3 billion there. So that's what I'm looking at. So I'm trying to catch it below this low. All right, went up, take some profit, get down, buy again, take some profit, then the day ends. The day ends. But I'm still sure that the price is still going to be upside, because we are having the directional bias to be up. We are not having it to be down. We are having it to be up. All right. And you can see that the price has been down, 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 for a lot of days. But this is telling me that it's going to be up. All right. So I have to believe in my analysis. So this is what actually happened on Wednesday. Now let's go to Thursday and see the beautiful things that happened on Thursday. So this is what happened on Thursday. So we are having, on Wednesday, we are having this to 850. Then on Thursday, we are still having from 0700, we have 2 billion, 2.4 billion, 0725, 0770, then 0800. This is still going up, all right? Considering where we are, it's still going up. So 0700, 725, 770, and 800. Considering what we have here, we are having 0650. This is actually the Thursday. I was checking the Wednesday before. So this is actually the Thursday. Now we are having 0650, 0685, 700, all the way to 0800. This is still going extremely up on Thursday, all right? And we're having the highest order to be 2.5 billion, which is 0700, and 0725, which is to 35 to, which is 2.6 billion, all right? So this is telling me that, oh, I should try to buy on Thursday. I shouldn't try to sell on Thursday. Because when we look at our charts, so here we are having 0650, which was down around here, all right, 650, 685. All right, look at the retest on 685. So I told you that, you might have some retest, all right? Look at when the price came all the way down to retest this, and from there it just started going all the way up, 680, 685, exactly at 685. Look at it, exactly at 685. Stopped at 685 and it started going all the way up, because there are buyers there, all right? And they knew the directional buyers, and they've given us the clue that they are actually going up. So what we just need to do is just to follow them up, all right? Using our own micro analysis, the fundamentals, the technicals, and whatever method you are using to trade. But knowing the directional buyers is very, very essential. Now, we knew that they're going to be going up, and we could see the order 685, 0685, 0700, 0725, up the way to 750. If you remember, on Wednesday, we are having 750 on Wednesday. Now, on Thursday, we are having the same 750, which means that there's something at 750 and the price is going towards the 750, all right? So you know the directional bias. You just need to enter the market, all right? That is what you just need, all right? So you can do other analysis or whatever method you are using. Just try to look for an entry. But the best thing is just to break it down to lower time frame, all right, so that you are not going to have maximum drawdown. So from there, we are having all the way to 750 here, which we had a lot of orders here, 2.1 billion on Wednesday and a lot of billions too on Thursday. And you could see that the price, actually reached that 750. All right, this is very, very beautiful. All right, because you need the directional bias before that day, and on the same day you are also getting the directional bias. Then lastly, let's check Friday. Looking at this chart here, what do you notice? You're going to see something very, very interesting here. If you remember, we had the highest order, 2.3 billion at on Thursday, and 2.1 billion on Wednesday at 0750, all right, which was the highest order of that week. Highest order of that week, all right? Now, looking at Friday, you now see that we are having from 0750 all the way down to 0575. That means we are actually going down because we've already achieved that highest order. All right. Now we are having from that highest order to the another lowest order, which is 0775. I don't say it's going to get there or that same day. But what if you just see this? The next thing that should come to your mind is now we are declining. All right, that's the next thing that should come to your mind, because we've already achieved the highest order. Then the next orders you are seeing on Friday, you are seeing bunch of orders, but everything they are pricing it down. So lot of offers, all right, not speed, lot of offers, because we could see 07, 0695, 0725, 0750, but it's actually going down from where we actually reached yesterday. So let's check the chart. So here we achieve our 0750. All right, then we stopped here that particular day. Then the next day, which was on Friday, the price was actually around here. But everything that we are seeing, 0750 was the highest, was the highest order of that particular day, which was very, very low. That means they are pricing it low, even if it's actually the NFP. They are actually pricing it low. So we are going to be trying to sell. So if you take a good look at this, you see that the price sold all the way to 0700 or 0707. All right, because they are pricing it down. They are no more pricing it up again. So this is how you know the directional bias of the chart. All right, you can do this on EUSD, on GU, on USD JPY, on any pair that is being presented to you. All right, just follow the process that I'm showing you guys, and you will see how beautiful it is. I hope you guys get one or two things to learn from here. And this will be the end of the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.